Hey guys, it is Adam and welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys can see, we have a new backdrop and I and my sister Calista, we put this up backdrop together. Like this is a sheet that I got from Meesho, which you just stick on the wall. We bought it for our living room, but then there was leftover. So I thought, why not just switch up my background too? So I just added it. And yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. Calista told it looks vintage, but and I do feel the same. I think I have to add props here and there, but for now, this is our new background, and I'm really liking it. Moving on, today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys a few makeup products that I always carry with me and that I cannot do without. Like they are my most staple products. Now, when you are traveling, you cannot just carry your whole makeup. I don't have a lot of makeup. I have very limited. But even in that, I am not able to carry everything, each and everything. So I have a few products that I mandatorily keep in my makeup bag. And I take those products wherever I travel. And all my makeup looks I do only with those products. Those are, in short, my staple products that I cannot do without. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing those products with you guys. So without wasting time, let's get into our video. Just telling, I shot this whole video yesterday. I completely forgot that my microphone has no battery, and then there was whole video recorded without sound. So I'm doing it again. Anyways, this is the makeup bag that I carry whenever I'm traveling, and this was my gift from my friend for my 18th birthday. And I carry all the makeup products that I need when I'm traveling in this pouch. So I have those right here because I am a very late person, very good procrastinator. Like I have to go today somewhere, I will not pack in the morning. I will pack 5 minutes before leaving. So when it comes to makeup, I have already put my things in this bag. So I just remove this bag and keep in the luggage. So we have the products here and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. First and foremost, we have my favorite sunscreen of all time. It is the Photon Tinted Sunscreen. Now, I really love this sunscreen. If you've been seeing my channel or my videos, you guys know how much I love this sunscreen. I got this from my clinic as a sample product, and this is a tinted sunscreen. So what it basically does is when you don't want to do the full face of makeup, but you still want to look like okay, you got your life together, then you could just wear the sunscreen. So this is the tint of the sunscreen and it is a SPF 50 sunscreen. So it gives you protection. Also, it gives you that no makeup glow. So you can see the clear difference here. It gives you a nice tint after which you will have no need of wearing makeup. So that is why I always carry this because sometimes I am so lazy. Like if I'm just going somewhere, like maybe church, yeah, I am not going to do full face of makeup because like there's no need. So but I still want to look put together, so that is the time when I use the sunscreen. Even when I'm out, I always, if I don't want to wear makeup, I always go for the sunscreen. And this is the SPF 50 PA+++ sunscreen. Now the problem is I have become like my skin tone as reduced for one shade, and this shade is now a little darker for me. Like in the camera it looks very light, but when I apply it, no, it is very dark for me and it gives me that grayish effect. So I do not really like this, and I don't think they have a lot of shades in this. So right now I have a little problem with using the sunscreen, but otherwise this is my go-to staple, most important product. Second thing that we have is another skin tint. Now I do not, it's very rare I apply foundation. Like when there is Christmas or like party, only that time I wear foundation or like a full face of makeup. But mostly nowadays I love to do the no makeup look. And if I want a little more like makeup look, then I use this skin tint. It is from Blue Heaven. It is hydrating skin tint. It's super hydrating, and it has hyaluronic acid, and it also has sunscreen, and it is anti-pollution. Now the sunscreen SPF is 25 with PA 2 plus, so I don't think it is that protecting your face because the SPF is very low. Minimum for the face SPF should be 50. So according to the protection wise, it does not work. But the tint that it gives you, like I'm just going to apply a little product on the back of my hand. If you want to look like a clean girl aesthetic, I did use this for my clean girl makeup look, if you guys have seen. So this is a very hydrating skin tint, which gives you a very sheer and like a glowy skin. It's like a second skin. So whenever I don't want to do makeup, I always wear this skin tint, and that is why this is again the most staple products. I've been using this since a year now, and quantity wise also, it's the bottle is still filled. According to me, this is a good purchase, also a good skin tint if you are opting to get a skin tint. Okay, the next thing that I have in my travel bag always is this lip liner. Now, I have only one lip liner, which is from Mars. It is in the shade Bloody Bath, and I have realized the importance of lip liner after applying it, because now there's no lip liner. Like, I did not really get ready to sit and record the video, but you can see I have no lip liner, and that's why my lips don't look put together. But whenever you're wearing a lip liner, your lips do look put together. You have a nice shape on your lips. It enhances your lips, and ever since I've understood the importance of a lip liner, I always make sure I have this lip liner with me no matter what. This is the shade of the lip liner, and I do want to get other shades, but for now this is the most staple thing I carry with me. Is eyeliner. Now I'm so bad at applying eyeliner. This was not even in my pack because I don't want to. There was a time I used to apply eyeliner like a pro, and nowadays I can't even draw a straight line. So I don't carry this, because if I carry this and then I feel like, oh, okay, let me just put a liner, and then I put a liner, and then one side it's here, one side is that side, and then whole makeup gets ruined. So I stopped packing eyeliner. But ever since, I've started using this white kajal pencil and the eyeliner combo, which looks so, like, I don't know, it looks very, I feel like it really looks very sexy on me. It gives you like that baddie vibe. So ever since then, I always have these two things. This is the white kajal pencil that I do my waterline with, so I can show it to you guys. So all I do is I do this. I fill my waterline with a white liner, and you can see how my eyes went from here to here. And then I always stop this off with the black liner, and that is why now I have the liner, because I give it this kind of sort of look. And right now it's not good. I'm just showing it to you guys. I might have a photo, I'll just post it here. So that is why I always carry these two things around with me whenever I'm traveling, like super essential staple product in my bag right now. Okay, moving on to the next product is of course a lip and cheek tint. Now I have a blush. This is a cheek tint. I have one blush that is liquid blush. It is a hassle to apply it on because it's super pigmented. Two drops you put, and then if you mess it up, you forget that you have something on your cheek. It's not going to blend. It's a very big task to blend, and that's why I always make sure I have my cheek tint with me wherever I'm going. Even if I have no sunscreen, I always make sure I have my cheek tint, because look at the shade and look at how creamy it is, how nice it looks, and how nicely it blends. It just takes your look from a 0 to maybe like a 10, like out of 100, like a 10. And just blush is a very nice thing. I don't know how to explain how much I love a blush. And this is from Swiss Beauty. It is in the shade Fruity Fig. I love this lip and cheek tint. I always make sure I have this on, because this is just so easy to use and works so well, blends so well, gives you that pink look, and just like that you are like ready. You don't have to put efforts into doing the blending the blush. It's just like this, you'll finish the cheek makeup. So I always make sure I carry this. Even if I have nothing on, it's fine. I will always apply a blush. Okay, the next thing that I have is a mascara. Now I have very small eyes, right? Like small. So I always carry a mascara, because even if I'm not applying an eyeliner obviously can, enhance your eye shape. But with the mascara, your eyes are going to enhance a little bit more, and you can see the difference. Here it's like, at least it looks like I have eyes, and that is why I always make sure I carry my mascara, even if I don't do the eye makeup, even if it's just sunscreen. blush, and then I wear a mascara because I don't want my eyes to not be seen. I have beautiful eyes, by the way. I feel that way, and that is why I always make sure my eyes look pretty good. So this is the mascara I carry. Again, it is from Swiss Beauty and it is a thickening long lens. It does not really do a lot of things like it claims, but works pretty well for me. So I always carry this. And when I this is almost going to empty, so I will buy another brand mascara. But right now, this is again the staple product I have. Okay. The next thing that I have is this makeup spray. Now your makeup has to stay right, and this is the best makeup fixer I've ever used. It is the Blue Heaven Prep and Fix makeup. It is a primer and a setting mist. So you apply it as a primer, do your makeup, and then again apply it, and your makeup doesn't go anywhere. With this, I have had a really nice experience. So I always make sure my makeup is intact, and to keep it intact, I always use this Blue Heaven setting spray. I cannot do without this because without this, if I go out, my makeup is all going to drip down, and that's why I think this is very important in my traveling pack. Also, it has vitamin B and E, it has aloe vera, and it is paraben free. Okay, the last two things, obviously, the most important things are the lipsticks, and I don't I'm not a fan for red lipsticks. Only when my outfits are there where I think like a red lip would go well, I carry red lipstick. Otherwise, these are the only two lipsticks that I like to carry in my travel bag, and both are nude shades. This is from Swiss Beauty again. The packaging is really bad. I also broke this lipstick once when I was applying it, and everywhere here it's a mess. Here they had this magnet thing. It would just close like this, like the Huda Beauty thing. But now the magnet is rusted and it just doesn't close. But leaving all that, the shade of this lipstick is super nice. It is a brown nude shade, and I feel like nudes are all the trend right now. They look so pretty on brown skin tone girlies, even on fair skin tone, but brown skin tone, brown on brown is like, so I feel like brown would go with anything. That is why I carry that. That is a that is not a liquid lipstick. It's a matte lipstick, and it is smudge proof and waterproof. And then when I want to give it like that long lasting stay, I carry this because this lipstick doesn't move from anywhere. It is the dark brown, choco brown shade, and it is the shade 13 Disgrace from Inside Cosmetics. It is a liquid lipstick, and this doesn't move easily. Both the lipstick don't, but this, however, when you're eating oily food, it is going to wipe off, but this lipstick will not move anywhere. And again, brown lipsticks are like too good to be used. So I always carry only two shades, and those are these two browns. Yeah, so I think we're done. I'm done showing you guys all the products. So these are all the products that I carry in while traveling, or like if I have to just go out, I'm getting ready outside, like not in my house, outside. These are the things that I carry because I feel these are the most staple products I have, and I love these products so much. I don't even need like foundation and like extra things. With this, I could just look as pretty as applying a whole face of makeup. So yeah, if you guys want any of these products, if you guys want to buy any of these products, I have a separate videos where I have like given detailed description about these products, how they work, what is the price and everything. You could go and check those videos out. With that being said, this is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys like the video, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.